Well, here we are. We made it. It's finally summer, and it's an excellent time for relaxing in the sun, cracking open a cold drink, and of course, having a classic summer barbecue. It feels good to be out in the fresh air of summer, the old backyard, which, come to think of it, looks a little like our warehouse. The things that make for a great barbecue or any summer get-together are great food and great company. Speaking of which, I'm pretty sure my friends should be getting here any minute. Better get the steaks cooking. There we go. Anyway, family, friends, quality meat, these are the things that really make summertime a blast. But there is a way to take the fun up a notch, and that's by personalizing your summer get-together. Let me show you what I'm talking about. Here we have a regular fold-up chair that we customized with heat transfer vinyl. It's no longer just another chair, it is now the throne for the king of the barbecue, which is me in case you haven't figured it out. And what else does the king of the barbecue need? An apron, of course. Now, I put a personal touch on this apron with some heat transfer paper. You know something like this is guaranteed to get some attention from the ladies. Well, from my wife. I guess everyone's running a little late, but whenever they do get here, we'll be able to play some games. Now, a personal fave of mine is throwing the old Frisbee around, like this one, which we've decorated with SISER EASYPSV. No matter what kind of fun activities you and your friends have planned on a hot summer day like this, one thing is certain, you're gonna get thirsty. And when you reach for that cold beverage to cool you down, one way to keep it cold is to put it in a can cooler, like this one. Now, not only will my drink stay cold, it's pretty clear who this drink belongs to now. Now, if you're lucky enough to spend your summer at the pool, you can really make a statement with customized trunks like these. You don't see this at the pool every day, do you? There are so many ways to add a unique touch to your summer get-together. And we here at Heat Press Nation would love to help you make yours the best summer shindig of the year. So visit us at heatpressnation.com/summer to see how we made some of these great customized items. And if you have any great summer ideas of your own, be sure to join our Facebook group, Heat Press Nation Creators. Most importantly, have fun, be safe, and enjoy your summer. Okay, honestly, where is everybody? Jeez Louise, I'm baking like a toasted cheese right here. Everybody RSVP'd, maybe. You think maybe someone would show up on time.